Mnemonics are so beautiful. I mean, you can actually relate to it. When you talk about each and every mnemonics, they are very useful, I would say. And one of the reason why I was able to remember so much, the ocean of information which was condensed in the textbook, is because of the mnemonics itself. So my name is Het Joshi. I'm a qualified certified management accountant, CMA US. I'm located in Mumbai, and I started pursuing CPA back in 2021, somewhere in January or February, with the evaluation process. And I used to work as an audit assistant at a chartered accounting firm. While doing CMA, I did review Varun sir's lectures on YouTube for my CMA cost accounting exams. So I found Varun sir's lecture very, creative, very in detailed, where you can understand each and everything from a person's perspective, from a student's perspective, actually, not from a professional's perspective. As a student, we are not really aware about the, small details which actually need to be taught to us, rather than just, teaching everything in a above the line manner. LMS is a wonderful software. It's a very user-friendly software. Each and everything is divided into different parts where you can actually calculate your score according to the chapter-wise test, according to the what do we call the testlet things, according to the whole webinar part. Everything is being distributed in a very decent manner, I would say. CPA matlab miles.